AiPCBA Electronic Components and PCBA Service Provider. AiPCBA provides electronic components and one-stop PCBA services with global delivery. Since 2015, it has become one of the fastest growing distributors of semiconductors and electronic components in the world. AiPCBA has obtained high-tech enterprise certification and 100+ software and invention patents. High-tech certification, professional certification, quality certification, soft work and patents, soft work and patents, soft work and patents. AiPCBA has a 2,000 square meter intelligent warehouse with constant temperature and humidity and more than 200,000 types of new and original electronic components in stock, currently serving 3,000+ Russian customers. Temperature and humidity chamber, drying baking, spot storage warehouse, mass production warehouse. AiPCBA's constant temperature and humidity smart warehouse can intelligently manage and store components, ensure the accuracy and timeliness of components inventory data, and keep in sync with the website. Online components inventory data. The device provides safe and secure storage conditions. AiPCBA has more than 200,000 types of new and original components in stock. MCU, memory chips, inductors and crystal oscillators, capacitors and resistors, relays and switches and sensors, connectors. AiPCBA is strong at providing semiconductors and passive components and provide procurement services for shortage components. End-of-life component sourcing. Alternative solution recommended. Long lead time component service. AiPCBA's Electronic Component Testing Laboratory conducts comprehensive testing of all components before entering warehouse, effectively eliminating problem components such as refurbished components, fake components. Mainly carry out the following inspections on components: X-ray inspection and analysis, appearance and silk screen appearance inspection, reprinting/refurbishment inspection, size verification, solderability test, X-ray inspection and analysis, uncapping and wafer inspection, Rose test, electrical test. AiPCBA also provides PCBA one-stop manufacturing services with 1,000 square meters of advanced smart manufacturing production lines. The main production links include stencil manufacturing, solder paste printing, automatic placement, reflow soldering, wave soldering, and with online testing such as AOI, FCT, ICT, which not only improves production efficiency, but also effectively guarantees product quality. AiPCBA's advantages: global procurement, cooperation with 800+ manufacturers, agents and distributors around the world, reliable supply of electronic components, smart supply chain, component big data analysis, customized supply chain services, traceable distribution network, global logistics. AiPCBA, your trusted electronic component supplier and PCBA partner.